Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and also we are in trigonometric equations. This is the last class for this chapter. We will finish in this chapter 4 questions from question number 21 to 24 and close this chapter. Okay, see, this is Eamcet 2018 question. A is equal to x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, that means closed interval. 0 also you have to take, 2 pi also you have to take. You can take tan x minus tan square x is greater than 0, and b is equal to, for all values of x belongs to 0 to 2 pi, modulus of sin x is less than 1 by 2. Then what is a intersection b like that? Then a intersection b means the x values only you have to take. Okay, a also x, b also x, but these values you have to take, solution you have to make. Okay, one by one we will tackle. Okay, observe carefully how I am tackling this question. First I am writing a implies, okay, tan x minus tan square x is greater than 0. Tan x, if I take common, 1 minus tan x is greater than 0. Okay, see what I will do here. Equal to is not there. Equal to means tan x is equal to 0, like you can take, but now also you can set tan x is equal to 0. But what about 1 minus tan x? 1 minus tan x is also greater than 0. Okay, if that is the condition, see how I am writing. 1 is greater than tan x. Why? This minus tan x, if I send that side, it is going to become plus tan x. 1 is greater than tan x. 1 is greater than tan x. Okay, now shall I write like this? You see, tan x is greater than 0 but less than 1. Definitely I can write. Why? Because the tan x is greater than 0, like it is there. Tan x is greater than 0, like. You think like that. Why? Because 0 to 1 we have to take. Okay, now you tell me 0 to 1 means what will be the answer? Tan x value. What I will do, we want x value. We don't want tan x value. But both sides 0 and 1 is there. How you are going to find? Now observe carefully how I am tackling. I am applying tan inverse. Why? Because if you apply tan inverse, tan going to get cancelled out, x will come here. Okay? See, tan inverse of tan x. Okay? And here also tan inverse of 1. And here also tan inverse of 0. Understand the logic how I have written that? Okay? Now you tell me tan inverse of 0 is 0 only. Tan inverse of tan x means x only. Tan inverse of 1 means pi by 4. But are these values are correct? No, exactly not correct. Why? Because I am telling you, see. This is a circle diagram for tan. For tan, these two are positive. Why? Because here 0 to pi by 4 means, see, 0 to 1 means from 0 to 1 positive only are there. There is no negative number. Okay? Minus 1 to 1 means positive, negative both will come. But here 0 to 1 tan x value means naturally what you have to understand, 0 to 1 if it is there, then it is positive value, from 0 to positive value. Okay, now you tell me tan from here to here 1 will come. That means see pi by 4. From here to here 1 will come, pi by 4. Okay, that means see 2n pi plus pi by 4, 2n plus 1 pi plus pi by 4. Shall I write n pi plus pi by 4? Definitely I can write. Okay, see n pi plus pi by 4. But because this side also okay, this side also okay, positive only, there is no negative value. Is this correct? First formula, x belongs to or x is equal to. Why? Because two values you have to take. Here also you have to take, here also you have to take. Okay? Then only it is going to give correct value. Okay, now you tell me this is plus pi by 4 only. 0 to pi by 4. Okay? Then I will take like this, you see. 0 to pi by 4. Okay? Open interval? Yes, open interval. Why open interval? Because from here itself open interval started. This we will see afterwards. Open interval. Here they have not given like this equal to. Equal to is there means closed interval. But here angles are closed intervals. Angles are closed interval. But this value you have to take this only. Okay, open interval 0 to pi by 4 open interval. Here. Then what about here? Union pi Pi plus pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. Okay, pi plus pi by 4, 4 pi plus pi, 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. That means see, tan value, A value is this one. Okay, this one. But finally, B value also have to find and A intersection B have to find. Wait, why? Because see, this is not an ordinary question. You have to take some time, or else you are not able to do this question. Okay, let me tackle next B. See, A has come 2 values, B will come 4 values. Why? Because see, modulus is there. If you do modulus, plus or minus 1 by 2 will come. Plus or minus 1 by 2 means plus 1 by 2 itself 2 values. Minus 1 by 2 itself again 2 values. 4 values will come. Afterwards, A intersection we have to do. Okay, unless you observe carefully, it is going to become difficult question. Okay, now again go back here. And also, these values according to this is, yes, 0 to 2 pi in between only. 0 also you can take, yes, 0 I have taken. 2 pi have you taken? Yes, sir. 2 pi we have not taken. You can take, but accordingly you have to see here. Okay, let it be. We will go another one. Okay, now go for this one. But here closed interval is there, but here open interval is there. That is why you cannot take here. Okay, both closed interval means you can take. Okay, now go for B. B means see, modulus sin x is less than 1 by 2, or else normal sin x is less than plus or minus 1 by 2. Shall I write like this? Why? Because if you remove modulus, plus or minus you have to apply. See, plus or minus means this we cannot apply like this. See how I am applying. This implies I am keeping minus 1 by 2 sin x plus 1 by 2. Like this you have to write. If it comes like this means you have to write like this. Sin x is greater than minus 1 by 2 but less than 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2 is there. Like that you have to write. Okay, now you see minus 1 by 2 sin having 2 values plus 1 by 2 having 2 values. You see how I am writing here. First of all you tell me 1 by 2 comes where? It may be plus or minus sine 30 degree. Now you see these two are positive, these two are negative for sine. See 30 degree here, 30 degree here, these two are for plus 1 by 2. Again 30 degree here, 30 degree here. See these are the thetas. Theta, 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 theta. Okay? These two negative 2's are for minus 1 by 2. That means all values you have to take. How you are going to take? This value 0 to pi by 6 directly. You see 0 to pi by 6 first value union. See here pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi, 5 pi by 6. That means see 5 pi by 6 to pi. Okay? 5 pi by 6 to pi. 5 pi by 6 means 30 into 5, 150. 150 plus 30, 180. Correct. Okay? 30 degree from here, 150 degree from here. Also this union again pi to now 5 plus pi by 6. 6 pi by 6. Why? Because 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. Okay? Why? Because see pi plus pi by 6. 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Okay? Union, one more value is there. 2 pi minus pi by 6. 2 pi minus pi by 6. 12 pi minus pi, 11 pi by 6. 11 pi by 6 to 2 pi. Okay, see, for B, 4 values are there. While plus or minus they have given, modulus they have given me plus or minus 1 by 2 come. Plus 1 by 2 itself is 2 value, minus 1 by 2 itself is 2 value. All are eligible. Eligible for B. 2 values are eligible for A. But what about A intersection B? That is the logic. Now you tell me 45 degree, 30 degree, 0 to 30 degree, 0 to 45 degree. Intersection means what you have to take? You have to take only 0 to 30 degree only. That means see A intersection B is equal to 0 to 30 degree. Okay? That we have to take. Why? Because see 45 degree you cannot take. Here 30 degree itself is closed in the option. If it close option at 30 degree itself, you cannot go 45 degree. Why? Because intersection means both should come. Both will 0, yes, both will start from 0, but both will end at 30 degrees. A may end at 45 degree, but this is ending at 30 degree. That is why you have to take 30 degrees only, 0 to pi by 6. That is one thing. Another thing, you come here. This value no intersection. Why? Because here first quadrant okay, but second quadrant sign is there, but tan is not there. When intersection means both should be there. That means both means first and third quadrant you have to take. Understand? Unless you draw these diagrams, you are not able to answer this question. These diagrams, circuit diagrams are also very important. I have not written. This is for tan. This is for sine. Okay, why? Because tan, sine. Because diagram is clearly giving picture to you. You see here first quadrant is there, first quadrant is there. Intersection means both you have to take. Union means that also, this also. That means first, second, third all you can take, but union they have not given. They have given intersection, A intersection B. Second quadrant you should not take. Fourth quadrant also you should not take. You have to take only third quadrant. Third quadrant means you have to take only this. Why? Because this is bigger. This only you have to take. What is that? This one. Pi to 7 pi by 6. Union pi to 7 pi by 6. Okay. This is the answer. A intersection union. 0 to pi by 6 to pi to pi 7 pi by 6. Okay. Why? Because it should not go up to 5 pi by 4. This is bigger. 45 degree. 180 plus 45. This one. 180 plus 45. This is only 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30 is lesser. Lesser only you have to take whenever intersection is there. Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 22. Eamcet 2019 question. Observe carefully. This is also not easy question. A little bit difficult question. Let bracket x. This is called greatest integer function x or greatest integer x. Okay, largest integer x, greatest integer x, like that they will call. Bracket if they give greatest integer x. And one more is there. Brace x. This is called fractional function. Fractional function. This we will see afterwards. Let us understand this. Greatest integer x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x if the number of solutions of sin x under root 4 cos square x is equal to 2 plus x minus greatest integer x by 1 minus x plus greatest integer x is k. Okay. That means what is this? Number of solutions. Number of solutions are k. Okay. Then if that is the number of solutions, how many number of solutions? 1, 2, 3 may be there. That number is k. Okay. Then for x belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 3, the value of k power tan square x, this x is this value angle. If k comes in, 4 solutions are there. 4 power tan square, this value you have to say. That is the logic you have to understand here. Okay. Now let us proceed further. Observe carefully how to solve this question. Okay. See what I am writing. Sin x you write. Okay. Square root of 4 cos square means if we remove square, shall I write 2 into cos x, that is equal to 2 plus x minus divided by this also you see 1 minus I have taken common, then x minus. Shall I write like this? We see if you change to minus x plus greatest integer x, minus x plus greatest integer. Why I have written? I want to change this in fractional part. Okay, you see here 2 sin x cos x, sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 plus, see, x full and greatest integer. Full function minus greatest integer means fractional function will come. Okay, fractional function. And here also you see x minus greatest integer. Function minus greatest integer function means fractional function. 1 minus fractional function. But what is this fractional function? Fractional function also I am writing, you see. Fractional function value is greater than 0, less than 1, equal to 0 also will come. Why? Because see 1.35 given. 1.35 means here 0.35 is fractional function. If 1 they give means 0 is fraction. Why? Because 1 means 1.0. After decimal, that is the fractional. 1, it cannot be 1. Why? Because see, if something 23 gives means 23.0. Fraction is not there. Fraction is not there means 0 fraction. 0 will come. 0 equal to will come. Greater than 0 will come, but 1 will not come. Okay? 2.9999 means fractional part is 0.999, but it never be 1. If it is 1 means automatically this is going to become 3. You understand this logic? Okay. Now come back again. This is what fractional part I wanted to explain. Okay, now you tell me here. Fractional part means, you see, here only you have discussed it. Okay, it cannot be 1. 2 plus 1 it cannot be. But divided by 1 minus 1 also it cannot be. Why? Because this is not going to become 1. Okay, then accordingly, sin 2x value, but here u equal to you cannot write. Why? Because x value you don't know. X value you don't know. Naturally, what will come? It should be greater than 1. Why? Because see, here 2 is there, here 1 is there. Here 2 is there, here 1 is there. Naturally, greater than 1 will come. This value. Sin 2x is greater than 1 will come. But you tell me sin 2x is greater than 1, is it valid? No. Why? Because see, sin 2x means sin theta. Sin theta value cannot be greater than 1. Sin x value always equal to 1 or minus 1 or greater than minus 1, less than 1. But cannot be greater than 1. That means no solution. No solution means number of solution is k. K is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, 0 power tan square x is equal to 0 only, that's all. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 23. Answer should come pi by 2. Let us see whether pi by 2 will come or not. This is JEE question. Observe carefully. Little bit latest question. The sum of all values of theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2 open interval. 0 and pi by 2 you should not get or should not take care. Satisfying sin square 2 theta plus cos to the power of 4 2 theta is equal to 3 by 4 is. Okay, see how we are tackling. See, shall I convert this also into cos? 1 minus cos square 2 theta plus cos to the power of 4 2 theta is equal to 3 by 4. Okay, then you cross multiply 4 this side. 4 minus 4 cos square 2 theta plus 4 cos to the power of 4 2 theta is equal to 3. Okay, now you set this 3 also this side and make what we can say that side equal to 0. That means cos to the power of 4 I am taking first. 4 cos to the power of 4 2 theta minus 4 cos square 2 theta plus 1. Why? Because minus 3 will come means plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see here, observe carefully. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is x like. Cos square 2 theta is x like. That means see, you have to what we can say factorize this. Factorize means 4 into 1 is 5. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4, but minus 4 has to come. See, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus minus 2 plus 4. Minus 4. Okay. Now see, 4 cos to the power of 4 2 theta minus 2 cos square 2 theta again minus 2 cos square 2 theta, okay, plus 1 equal to 0. Is it okay? Yeah. Now you see 2 is common and cos square 2 theta is common. 2 cos square 2 theta is common. Then 2 will be there, cos square 2 theta will be there. Minus 1 will be there. Okay. Same thing we have to take here also. 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0. But 2 cos square theta minus is there, plus is there. That means see minus 1 if I keep, minus 2 cos square 2 theta plus 1. Okay. Okay. Now both are same. That means see, shall I write 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 whole square is equal to 0? Definitely I can write. Okay. Both are same. 2 cos square theta 2 theta minus 1, 2 cos square theta 2 theta minus 1. Okay. Now see, if it is correct, then shall I write like this is 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 is also 0. Whole square is 0 or single also 0 only. Why? Because see something 0 into 0 only 0. Same. Square means 2 times you have to apply the same. Yeah, a square is equal to 0 means a is 0 only. A into a. A is also 0. 2 square 2 theta minus 0. You see 2 cos square 2 theta is equal to 1. Minus 1 I have sent. And also cos square 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. Observe carefully here. Cos 2 theta is what? Plus or minus 1 by 2. Why? Because you square, if you remove automatically plus or minus 1 by 2, you have to write. Okay? You have to write plus or minus 1 by 2. Why? Because this is square. Okay, now come back and again here. This is cos. Okay? Cos. Cos plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Both you have to get it. Okay, you see here. Cos these two areas are plus. Okay, cos these two areas are plus. Okay, see plus 1 by 2 also you have to get, minus 1 by 2 also you have to get. Means see how many values will come here. Here total 4 values will come. Why? Because see here also plus 1 by 2 will come, here also plus 1 by 2 will come, here minus 1 by 2 will come, here minus 1 by 2 will come. Okay, but angle is 60 degree. That means see, shall I write n pi plus or minus 60 degree? Definitely I can write. You see, 2 theta is equal to, see, cos 2 theta, 2 theta. 2 theta is equal to n pi. Why n pi? 2n plus 1 pi, 2n pi. Both are n pi. Plus minus, plus minus. Plus or minus pi by 3. Why pi by 3? 60 degree. Cos 60 only 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2. Accordingly we have written here. Okay. This is 2 theta. Then what about theta? Theta is equal to n pi by 2 plus or minus pi by 6. N pi by 2 plus or minus pi by 6. You have to multiply, divide. Sorry, you have to divide. Okay. This is like formula you take. Go back again what they have asked. They are asking sum of the values of theta. See, values of theta, how you are going to find? Why? Because see 0 to pi by 2 only it has to come. See, if you apply here 0 n, why? Because see 0 to pi by 2 means negative is not there. It is very clear. That means see 0 to pi by 2 you have to go. Okay. If you apply here 0, this is going to become 0. Pi by 6 will come. Yes, pi by 6 is okay value. Pi by 6 means 30 degree. 0 to 90 degree. 0 you should not take, 90 degree you should not take. 30 degree, yes, we can take. Okay, 0, when I have given 0, this is going to become pi by 6. Okay, one thing. Another thing. Plus pi by 6 only, not minus pi by 6. Why? Because plus or minus is there, but minus pi by 6 you should not take. Why? Minus pi by 6 they have not given. Understand? Okay. Now I have given 1. 1 means pi by 2. 1 into pi by 2, pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Pi by 2 plus you should not take. But shall I take pi by 2 minus? Definitely you can take pi by 2 minus. That means see pi by 2 minus pi by 6. That means what will happen here? 6 pi minus 2 pi. 4 pi by 12. Or pi by 3. Okay. 6 is LCM here. 2 3 times will go. 3 pi. 6 minus pi. 2 pi by 6 or 3 times will go. Pi by 3. That means see the values are pi by 6 comma pi by 3. Understand? 2 values are there. You cannot give 2. 2 if you do, 2 going to get cancelled out. Pi plus or minus pi by 6 will come. But here pi by 2 only. Pi you should not take. Okay? That means values are this. But sum of values they are asking. Sum is equal to pi by 6 plus pi by 3. That is equal to 6 you take LCM. Pi plus 2 pi. Okay, 3 2 times 2 pi. 3 pi by 6. Pi by 2. Pi by 2 is correct only. Why? Because we have seen earlier, pi by 2 is the answer. Like this you have to solve this question. This is JEE question. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 24. This is also JEE latest question, 2019 question. X is closed interval 0 to pi by 2. That means 0 and pi by 2 also you can take. Then the number of values of x for which sin x minus sin 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0 is. See here answer is 2. 2 values should come. Let us see whether we get 2 values or more or less than 2 values. Okay, see sin 3x plus sin x, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 3x plus x, 4x by 2, 2x, cos c minus d, 3x minus x, 2x by 2, x, minus sin 2x is equal to 0. See sin 2x common is there. Then you take sin 2x common. Sin 2x if you take common 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. See here two conditions you will get. One is you see sin 2x is equal to 0 is 1. 2 cos x is equal to 1 or cos x is equal to 1 by 2. This is 1. Okay. 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0 means 2 cos x is equal to 1 and cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Sin 2x is equal to 0 means 2x is also sin inverse 0, 0 only. Then x is also 0 only. X is 0 but sin. See what I am writing. This is sin. Sin here also 0, here also 0. These two are positive. Okay. Here it is 1, here it is minus 1. But we don't bother 1 minus 1. We want 0. Here also 0, here also 0. Both areas 0 means what is it? N pi. Okay. X is equal to n pi. But n pi means what is the value? Are they given any condition? Yes. 0 to pi by 2. In between 0 to pi by 2 only. Okay. This is 0, this is pi by 2. This is 0 to pi by 2. But 0 we can take s equal to is also there. That means 0 if we take automatically x is equal to 0. One value. Okay. X you cannot take more than 1. If you take 2 here, 2 pi will come. 2 pi means pi by 2 only have to go. 0 to pi by 2 only one value. One value is there. This side. Now go for this side. Okay. Now cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2 means you see what I am writing. Here two values will come. Plus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 means two values will come. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2 means cos x will be here also, here also. See, 1 by 2 means 60 degree. Here also 60 degree, here also 60 degree. Both are positive only for cos. Okay, both are positive. What is it? 2n pi. Cos x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Plus pi by 3 minus pi by 3. 2n pi. But here not there. But here both are there. That is why 2n plus 1 pi, 2n pi, both n pi. This case is different, one value. But here two values. Wait. Is this the value acceptable? No, why? Because 0 to pi by 2 only how to take. That means between 0 to pi by 2 only 60 degree. X is equal to pi by 3 only. Why? Because here you have to apply 0. 0 if you apply automatically, this is going to become 0, pi by 3 will come. Minus pi by 3 is not acceptable. Why? Because they have not given minus pi by 3. If you give 1 automatically, 2 pi plus will go. 2 pi plus means greater than pi by 2. That is why you should not take. You have to take only x is equal to pi by 3. Understand the logic? That means only this value. Because they have given 0 to pi by 2 only you have to take. This is 0, this is pi by 2. This is 0, this is pi by 2. Angle. Okay? One value. Here also one value. Here also one value. Total values are how many? Numbers? 2 numbers of values. That's all. Okay? Now, we close this class. We will close this chapter also. We will meet in the next class. Okay? Thank you very much.